What if you could earn Trump cryptocurrency without spending a single cent? This golden opportunity could transform your crypto portfolio today. Trump cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital asset inspired by bold leadership and unwavering values, gaining traction among traders and enthusiasts. Imagine starting your day with a free bounty of Trump tokens. Daily faucet rewards allow you to claim free tokens every 24 hours. Visit a trusted faucet site, sign up or log in, and make it a habit to collect your daily rewards. The more Trump you hold, the bigger your daily share. Airdrops are the ultimate crypto giveaway, rewarding users with free Trump tokens as part of promotional campaigns. To qualify for airdrops, sign up for updates on Trump's official social media channels and participate in events on trading platforms. Trading competitions on various platforms offer Trump tokens as prizes, testing your trading skills and rewarding you generously. Join reputable exchanges, look for trading competitions featuring Trump, and boost your trading volume to increase your chances of winning. Trump stands out with its rapidly growing community, real-world use cases, and potential for significant growth as adoption increases. Are you ready to dive into the world of Trump cryptocurrency? Start small, explore these methods, and watch your wallet grow. Fortune favors the bold.